I'm Adam Shepard with the City of Fort Smith Utility Department. Our water meter replacement project is the process of replacing all manually read meters with electronically read meters. The city's goal is to eventually be 100% AMI. AMI, or Advanced Metering Infrastructure, is a combination of the electric meters, the communication system, and the data storage network all working together, which allows us to have two-way communication with the meters. Some of the benefits of having these new electronic meters is that they will eliminate human error in reading meters, allow us the ability to store usage data, and they also have several different alarms on them, such as leak detection, reverse flow, tampering, and battery state. Replacing the meters is beneficial to the customer because the new meters will be more accurate, give the customer more accurate billing, and the leak detection alarms will help identify customer leaks in a timely manner. And being able to graph and store usage data will give them the option to look back on their water usage and be able to manage their consumption better.
Jimmy Johnson, Deputy Director of Systems, and I have here a demonstration of our new meters and our old meters that we've been replacing in our system. This particular meter was installed in our system in September of 2004, and we took it out in September 2017. It's a completely dead meter. It doesn't register any water that flows through it. This is one of our new meters. It's showing movement through the system. We've got a pump here that pumps water through it. This is what our new meters use to read. Our meter readers just drive down the street and they have a radio with them that communicates with this, and it will tell them what the current read on the meter is. And they just do that once a month. In addition, if we have a leak in your system, or if you suspect you have a leak, we can do what we call a data log of the new meter system for the last 45 days. This is of this particular meter, and this is the flow on a daily basis. I've flown almost 200 cubic feet of water through this on a daily basis. And then on an hourly basis, we can do the same thing. We've had this running for 24 hours. So it's simulating a leak on the plumbing of the customer.
Also, it'll benefit the city by reducing the cost of meter reading. Electronic reading is much quicker and more efficient. In this real-time comparison, we were able to read almost 10 meters electronically in the time that it took to read just one manually. It also increases the safety of our meter readers because they won't have to go into inconvenient, unavailable, or unsafe places where some of our meters happen to be located.
We're always walking. Uphill, downhill. Sometimes you have to jump ditches or culverts. You can walk anywhere from 3 to 5 miles a day. Frigid temperatures, snow. It's the summertime. Super, super hot and humid. There's a lot of mud. Loose dogs, snakes, spiders. You have to kneel down a lot. You got a lot of stooping, a lot of bending. It's very tiring. By the end of the day and by the end of your shift, you're pretty wore out.
The new meters have a component referred to as an ERT, or Encoder Receiver Transmitter. The ERT is an interface between the meter and the data collector. It takes the actual read from the meter and converts it to a signal which the data collector can read. However, the meters can still be read manually if they need to be. The ERTs are attached to the meter box lids, so opening them can cause damage. If a customer needs access to the meter boxes, we ask that they call our 24-hour emergency number at 479-784-2342 for any assistance.